Have you ever wished you could eat as much as you want without worrying about calories? What if I told you there are foods out there that you can enjoy freely, without any guilt, because they contain virtually 0 calories? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving into 6 amazing 0-calorie foods that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep you healthy and energized. Especially if you're a senior looking to maintain a balanced diet. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share some creative ways to incorporate these foods into your meals and a special tip that could change the way you think about snacking forever. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about cucumbers. Crisp, refreshing, and incredibly hydrating, cucumbers are a fantastic 0-calorie food that seniors can enjoy without any worries. Did you know that cucumbers are about 95% water? That makes them an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot weather or if you struggle with drinking enough water throughout the day. But hydration isn't the only benefit. Cucumbers are also rich in vitamins like vitamin K, which supports bone health, and antioxidants that help fight inflammation. For seniors, this means better joint health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Here's a fun idea. Slice cucumbers into sticks and dip them in hummus for a satisfying snack, or add them to your salads for an extra crunch. You can even infuse water with cucumber slices and mint for a refreshing and hydrating drink. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you. Next on our list is celery. You've probably heard that celery is a negative calorie food, meaning your body burns more calories digesting it than the celery itself contains. While the science behind that is debatable, there's no denying that celery is a fantastic 0-calorie option for seniors. It's crunchy, low in sodium, and packed with fiber, which supports digestion and keeps you feeling full. But here's something you might not know. Celery is also a great source of vitamin K and folate, both of which are important for heart health and cognitive function. For seniors, this makes celery a smart choice for maintaining overall well-being. Try spreading a little peanut butter or almond butter on celery sticks for a tasty and nutritious snack, or add chopped celery to soups and stews for extra flavor and texture. You can even blend celery into smoothies for a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink. The mild flavor of celery makes it a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Now, let's talk about lettuce. Yes, lettuce. While it might seem plain, lettuce is a versatile and nutrient-packed 0-calorie food that deserves a spot in your diet. Whether you prefer romaine, iceberg, or leafy greens like arugula, lettuce is an excellent base for salads, wraps, and sandwiches. It's incredibly low in calories but high in water content, making it a hydrating and refreshing choice. For seniors, lettuce is also a good source of vitamin A, which supports eye health, and vitamin K, which helps with blood clotting and bone health. Here's a tip. Mix different types of lettuce for a variety of textures and flavors, and top your salads with colorful veggies, lean proteins, and a light dressing for a satisfying meal. You can also use lettuce leaves as a wrap for tacos or sandwiches, replacing high-calorie tortillas or bread. Lettuce is a simple yet powerful way to add volume to your meals without adding calories. Moving on, let's discuss zucchini. This versatile vegetable is not only low in calories, but also incredibly nutritious. Zucchini is rich in vitamins like vitamin C, which boosts immunity, and manganese, which supports bone health and metabolism. For seniors, zucchini is a great option because it's easy to digest and can be prepared in countless ways. Spiralize it into zoodles for a low-calorie pasta alternative, grill it with a sprinkle of herbs for a flavorful side dish, or bake it into muffins for a healthy treat. The mild flavor of zucchini makes it a perfect addition to both savory and sweet dishes, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. You can even add grated zucchini to soups, stews, or casseroles for an extra boost of nutrients without altering the flavor. Zucchini is a versatile and delicious way to enjoy a 0-calorie food that's packed with health benefits. Next up is radishes. These colorful root vegetables are often overlooked, but they're a fantastic 0-calorie food that seniors should consider adding to their diet. Radishes are crunchy, slightly spicy, and packed with nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They're also known for their detoxifying properties, helping to support liver and kidney function. For seniors, radishes can add a burst of flavor and texture to salads, sandwiches, and even soups. Here's a fun idea. Slice radishes thinly and use them as a topping for tacos or avocado toast. You can also pickle radishes for a tangy and flavorful condiment that pairs well with a variety of dishes. Radishes are a simple yet delicious way to enhance your meals without adding extra calories. Finally, let's talk about mushrooms. While not entirely zero-calorie, mushrooms are so low in calories that they're often considered a zero-calorie food. They're also incredibly nutritious, offering a wide range of health benefits for seniors. Mushrooms are a great source of B vitamins, which support energy production and brain health, as well as selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. They're also known for their immune-boosting properties, making them a smart choice for seniors looking to stay healthy. Saute mushrooms with garlic and herbs for a flavorful side dish. Add them to omelets for a protein-packed breakfast, or use them as a meat substitute in stir-fries and pasta dishes. You can even stuff mushrooms with a mixture of breadcrumbs, herbs, and cheese for a delicious and low-calorie appetizer. The possibilities are endless, and your taste buds will thank you. Now that we've covered these 6 amazing zero-calorie foods, let's talk about how you can incorporate them into your daily diet. One of the best ways to enjoy these foods is by combining them with other nutrient-rich ingredients to create balanced and satisfying meals. For example, pair cucumbers and radishes with a lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu for a hearty salad, or add zucchini and mushrooms to a vegetable stir-fry for a flavorful and low-calorie dinner. The key is to experiment with different flavors and textures to keep your meals interesting and enjoyable. But here's the real secret. These zero-calorie foods aren't just about weight management, they're about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive, especially as you age. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not only supporting your physical health, but also boosting your energy levels, improving your digestion, and enhancing your overall well-being. And the best part, you can enjoy these foods freely, without any guilt or restrictions. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Have you tried any of these zero-calorie foods? Do you have a favorite recipe or tip for incorporating them into your meals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas and experiences. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on healthy eating and aging. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, happier you.